In this video, we're just going to show what we recommend to do when not in use for a long period. You remove the bottle of paint, like so. Remove the applicator. Pull your pen out the shaft, and we recommend to wash in warm water. If the Tailpainter is used every day, there is no need to wash. It's only when it's being put away and not being used for a period of time. So there's the applicator washed and the roller. The important thing now is to squeeze the water out. If there's too much water left in the roller, it will, when you start applying paint again, the water and the paint will only run down the next cowl, so it needs to be dry. So we're getting some paper and we're going to dry the roller as good as we can in some water. So now it's dry, pretty dry to touch. There's no water flowing out of it, and we'll reinsert it into the applicator. And we blend the secondary pen. Now this Tailpainter will function every bit as good in the next application once it's maintained like that.